First, I'd like to show you how to add an appliance. There are two ways to start adding an appliance. One is through the hamburger menu in the top left, where it says Add New. And the other is from your appliance summary page, where you can hit the plus blue icon where appliances are to add as well. Here you can see that you can add a home, a solution, an appliance, a smart device, or a range extender. For now, we're going to add an appliance. And the first thing it's going to ask us is what type of appliance we'd like to add. At Shipshape, you can add a variety of different types of appliances that are both monitored or digital twins. Digital twins are just a record of the appliance that can be used for things like maintenance reminders. In this case, let's add a sump pump. And we can give the sump pump a name. And then we will pick where the appliance is located. In this case, we'll say the encapsulated crawl space.